goal is to work hard every day. Vision, you need to take action every day so that when the time comes when you can find a living, you have a saving for your family and yourself. Objective, my goal is that even if you don't study or even if you graduate, you can do this as a job or business investment in yourself. Service and community benefits, you are helping small vendor to earn money. What specific service product will your cooperative offer? My product is fish, shellfish, and seashell. Who are your target members or beneficiaries? My target is my family, and my beneficiaries are my only wife and child. How will this cooperative improve the quality of life in the barangay? What I need to do is sell the seafood I catch at the lower price to my neighbor so they can save more or their daily expenses.